The Magnetek gpd505v-a027 spindle motor controller shown in this video is out of a Hardinge LC Series CNC lathe. We fully rebuilt and fully tested this motor controller previously, but it was returned to us as having the same lack of control when installed into the machine. We simulate the CNC lathe as shown in the video, and the motor controller acted as expected. At ERD, we put every effort into duplicating issues with units sent in to us for repair, but we can only work with the information at hand. From our examination, the issue now must be in the system, as we have ruled out the motor controller. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.